everybody. Look at the Hi, buddy.
Hi, everybody.
Look at the time. A day, a shapes, joke. Arabs, shapes, colors, numbers.
Okay.
I show you read.
Mm-hmm.
And let's do. It's the page.
Mm-hmm.
1. Mama, 1 cow. 2. 1, 2. 2 pigs.
Show it to them.
Huh?
Show them.
Fish. Another 1, 2.
Good job. I guess you don't need mommy anymore, huh?
Three. 1, 2, 3.
What is it?
3 puppies.
Okay.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 horses.
4 horses. Yep. Show it to them.
A picture. Let's do a 3, 4.
3, 4. Good job. What's the next page?
Next page. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6.
Okay.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 frogs.
6 frogs. All right, let them see the frogs and the chicks. Good job. And then what else? The end. Okay, here. Let's put this one down. And then you're going to help me read this one? You're going to help me read?
Bye.
Well, we're not done yet. We're going to read the big book. What is it about? What is it about?
A garbage truck.
About garbage trucks. Yes, your favorite. The garbage trucks are coming today.
And then we got Sunny garbage truck.
Yeah.
Sunny garbage truck.
Okay.
Garbage truck.
Winston opened his eyes and sat up in bed. He grinned with excitement. The garbage trucks are coming today. What kind of truck is that?
A crane.
A crane. All right.
Let's show you the garbage truck.
Yeah.
A crane.
He threw off the covers and jumped out of the bed. The garbage trucks are coming today, he shouted.
A crane.
Yeah, there's a crane. What's that? Dad said, poking his head out of the bathroom. The garbage trucks are coming today, cried Winston. He's excited about the garbage trucks, huh? All right. Who's coming? Called Winston's mother from the kitchen. The garbage trucks are coming today, Winston shouted. What's that?
Baby.
A baby, and who's that?
A mommy.
A mommy and a baby, yes. Winston stood by the window and waited. He stared at the 2 bins his parents put out on the curb last night. One was for garbage, the other was full of paper to be recycled. Today there were 2 different bins, which meant 2 different trucks. What's that?
A trash can.
A trash can. All right.
It's a trash can.
Yeah. What color is the trash can?
It's a trash.
What color is it?
Yellow trash.
Yellow. And what color is that
A
one?
blue trash can.
Yeah, yellow and a blue trash can. Winston's mother put his cereal on the table, but he didn't sit down. His father got out Winston's clothes so he could get dressed, but he stayed by the window waiting. What's Mommy doing?
I put Cheetos.
Pouring Cheerios. Pouring cereal. Yes, she is. Yeah. Winston's baby brother, Sonny, called out for him to play blocks. Da, da, da. But Winston couldn't play. He was still waiting. What's he doing?
Up in the window.
Up in the window. Good job. Yep. I'm waiting for the garbage truck. Suddenly, a low rumble sounded from down the road. It was getting louder and louder. The garbage trucks are coming today! Winston yelled and ran out of the front door. Who's coming today?
My trash can.
The garbage truck. Winston watched as the garbage truck rolled up beside the house.
My trash can.
Yeah, a metal robot arm reached out, grabbed the garbage bin, and lifted it up high into the air.
A trash can.
Yeah, what color is the garbage truck?
Green.
A green garbage truck.
Green truck.
Yes, a green garbage truck.
Biggest trash.
Yeah, he's taking his trash. Then with a quick toss backwards, all the garbage went flying down into the large belly of the garbage truck. Munch, munch, crunch. All empty now.
Out.
Yeah, the robot arm dropped the bin back onto the curb. Winston clapped his hands and cheered. Hooray! Aren't you excited when the garbage truck comes? Yes, you are. You watch from the window too. All finished, the garbage truck then rumbled down the road to the next house.
A green garbage truck.
It is a green garbage truck. Everybody see the green garbage truck? Oh. Winston opened the gate and ran out to the curb. He carefully wheeled the big empty garbage bin back down the side of the house where it belonged. When you get a little bigger, you're going to have to put the garbage cans back too. You're a little too tiny now, but soon enough, you'll be bringing in the cans. Thanks, Winston, said Dad, watching from the porch. Now come inside and eat your breakfast, please. Winston smiled and ran up the steps to the front door. Just as he was about to walk inside, there was another distant rumble from the end of the road. Winston grinned and spun around. Who's coming today? The garbage trucks are coming today. Who's coming, Bugs? Who's coming today? The garbage trucks are coming today. And?
The end.
The end. Good night.
Good night.